Hello student, today we will talk about human reproduction. So as you know that reproductive event. So in all the organism, reproductive event can be divided into three parts. First is known as pre-fertilization, then fertilization, last post-fertilization. But in case of the human being, we can divide complete event into six parts as gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, implantation, gestation, parturition or birth. Okay, so in this way there are six events, but you know that in all organism we can divide it into three part: pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization. It means gametogenesis and insemination, these are in pre-fertilization event, and this is fertilization. After that, implantation, gestation and parturition, these are post-fertilization event in case of the human being. Okay, so what is gametogenesis? You know, production of the gamete. It means sperm or ovum is known as gametogenesis. Similarly here, insemination, transfer of sperm into female genital tract. That is the meaning of insemination. After that, fertilization. So when sperm and ovums are reached, when sperm reach near to the ovum, so fertilization take place. As you know that it is take place in ampulla region of the fallopian tube. In some book it is given that ampulla isthmus junction, but correct answer is ampulla. So fusion of male and female gamete is known as the fertilization. After that, implantation, formation and development of blastocyst and its attachment to the uterine wall. So mainly attachment of blastocyst in uterine wall is known as the implantation. So this process, it means now embryo reached in uterus and it is attached with uterine wall. That is the meaning of implantation. After that, gestation. So development of embryo inside uterus is known as the gestation. Okay, so what is gestation? It means from implantation to birth inside the uterus. The development of embryo is known as gestation. After that, parturition. So delivery of the baby means birth is known as parturition. So in this way, these are six events which in short I explained here. Then we will talk about these all events in detail. After that, difference between the reproductive event in male and female. So you know, this is main gametogenesis. So here reproductive event are different in case of male and female, because gametogenesis is continuous process in case of the male and it is started after puberty. In case of the male, it means from 16 years to old age, it is continuous. Well, in case of the female, oogenesis, it is not a continuous process. It is started in embryonic state from first month, and after that it is going continuously up to 5th month. After that, ataxia means death of the follicle is started, and it is death of the follicle is continue up to the birth. And in birth, at the time of the birth, number of the follicles is approxed 60,000 to 80,000. After that, in puberty means in age of 13, again in each reproductive cycle, one primary follicle get converted into mature follicle, means Graafian follicle, then ovulation take place. It means it is a discontinuous process. I will talk about this in oogenesis when I will teach you oogenesis. Okay.